Morning, guys. September 11th, 2023. This is never gonna call for water heater that's not working. Gas-fired water heater. Said it's about 12 years old. And I think it's a Bradford White, she said. So sometimes what happens is they get a flood and the thing starts leaking. It fills the bottom up with water. I've seen that. I mean, it could be anything. At 12 years old, it's already starting to get at its life's end. We'll take a look at it, see if we can get it to light, but might want to just quarter a price on changing it out at 12 years old. Kind of spending good money to bad there, you know. Try to get you some shots. See if we get it to light. Well, switch is not tripped. Put that in and we'll click it and see if we get it to light. Alright, we're gonna hold it in. It's lit. We're gonna hold it in for a bit until it light, until this flashes. You know, it should stay on. Maybe he didn't light it right. Had some bad wind over the weekend. It might have blown out. Alright, I just heard it click. Alright, let's see if it stays on when I release it. It's staying on. Is it? Alright, I'm going to turn it on. Let it run for a little bit. Sometimes it just gets wet in there, but that's not the case. Might have just been he didn't light it right. Sometimes they do go out. I'll leave a tag here. Relit pilot. It's a 1/2 inch in and out. I got 3/4 here. I don't know why they didn't run 3/4. If it goes out again, I'll just quarter my price on changing it out. It's a 13. It's already. She said it's been in. She's been in 12 years, she said. Seems to be running fine. It might have just been that it was a freak thing, you know. It wasn't tripped or nothing. The rollout switch wasn't tripped.